together, we bear the brunt of this global environmental crisis. Here and there, the impacts of climate change are evident. Intense droughts, extreme rainfall, sea level rise, public health risks, and threats to biodiversity and food security. All of these wreak havoc on people's lives and communities.
This is an open letter from you and me together. Tomorrow's in our hands now.
Find the words that matter, say them out loud, and make it better somehow.
Looking down from up on the moon is a tiny blue marble.
It is vital that we step forward.
We can still save our future. United as one, our little efforts can go a long way.
Money or religion, how many years we might live. We're the only real question.
My earth is in a great dimension, it's time for us to do our best. From deep sea straight back to Everest. She undergoes the stress unless you wanna be motherless.
In the previous years, we used to have the One Tourist, One Trip program, which aims to make the tourism sector sustainable and contribute to lessen the effects of climate change. With the present situation where travel is restricted, this program needs to be recalibrated, adapting to the new normal, thus renaming it as Trees for Tourism. This environmental advocacy program encourages domestic and local tourists to plant at least one tree in various tourism destinations.
It's our world, 'cause it's our world. On the water and everywhere, the timing in the universe, heaven's poetry to us. Keep it safe, keep it safe, keep it safe. Special paradise. Let's keep it safe.
Taking care of our environment is our priority.
Now is the time to answer the call.
Together, let us be part of this global environmental movement. Our combined and sustained efforts can significantly help our planet.
Towards the pursuit of a sustainable, eco-friendly, happy island tourism industry, we ask you to join us as we recreate, reimagine, and restore our environment. You are part of the solution.